Hello again, everyone. Today we're at this place called Mahutan Plaza. This is the next to the BTS station called Ploen Chit on Sukhumvit. And this got some good restaurants in here. First is La Monita. That's a really good, authentic Mexican restaurant. I've been there before. But I was watching a TV show on hamburgers, and I looked up the best burgers in Bangkok, and there's a restaurant called Billy's Smokehouse in this plaza. So Billy's Smokehouse is all about barbecue, and so a man that takes pride in his barbecue should probably be able to put together a really good hamburger. So let's see if this place is even open. The funky Sum Tum place. There's a lot of language schools here, translation. There's even a tactical store, Bangkok Tactical. Here it is, the light is on. See if we can get a better look on the outside of this place. Okay, so up there it says Billy's Smokehouse and some really fine script. Might not even be able to tell. And next to it, that orange restaurant is La Monita. It's been there 10 years apparently. And yeah, good Mexican food. Let's see what this paper says. Look at that. Billy himself. Worst menu ever though, with the clip. So yeah, burgers are like $2.40 to $3.80. So I'm gonna try one of those out. We have sandwiches. Reuben and pastrami looks fantastic. Look at that. And you can get double Reubens, double sandwiches as well. You have to ask for it though. Here's some pasta. Salad, not really the place you come for salad, but I'm sure they're good. Some soups. Smoked tomato soup. A whole bunch of sides. I'm sure all are delicious. Alright, let me just pick out a burger so there's less waiting. You guys can read that. Ensenada burger sounds good. Yeah. Or the standard. Maybe I'll just start with the Billy's burger. Okay, no cup. Here. Getaway of the land. There's a bar there. That's where all the action happens in the restaurant. There's some upstairs seating up there. So couch area over there. Seems like a pretty classy place. Alright, as I was flipping through the rest of this menu, I just had to take a video of it. This barbecue up here, it says is smoked for 26 hours. So we're talking more than a day of smoking. I'm gonna have to come back and try some of this. It's very expensive, but if it took 26 hours for you to make food, you'd charge a lot as well. Alright, so they're also barbecuing Wagyu brisket here. And then we have some grilled stuff here, so you can get a steak if you want, or pork chicken. And then some seafood as well. So, naturally they have a bar, but I'm not drinking, it's only 12 o'clock. Alright, we'll see what happens. I ordered some wings and the Billy's burger. Just there's Billy's burger, and you got a tray of condiments, ketchup, and I think we're definitely going to need a knife on this one. because for a sense of scale, here's my hand, right? So this is a big burger. Question is, can I actually try to set the thing up and cut it? Inside looks like here. Look at that. Man, that looks pretty darn good. We'll take a bite out of this. So the burger is very tender. I don't know if they're mixing it with like onions or something, but it's very soft. It's cooked perfectly. It's very moist. You can just see the fat, dripping out.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead.
Alright, there's the bill. We got the fried wings for 160 baht, the Coke Zero is 45, and then Billy's Burger, which came with french fries, for 360, well, tax service 665. It's a little over $20, and frankly I'm very full. That burger and fries was very filling. Alright, in conclusion, that place was absolutely wonderful. Billy's Smokehouse, and all I had were the chicken wings. So my impression is this is the place you want to bring people to enjoy barbecue, not tell people to go, but literally bring them here. It's that good. I've only eaten barbecue that good in one place called BT's Barbecue, and that's in Sturbridge, Massachusetts, across from Sturbridge Village. That's the only other place in this world I've eaten barbecue that's smoked that long. There's two ways to barbecue stuff. The McDonald's way, where they cook meat and then put on barbecue sauce. That's the kind of stuff you get there or at a retirement home. Or there's the dry rub method, which is what Billy seems to do, where he rubs the meat with spices and then just smokes it until it's, you know, soft inside. And that's the way I prefer it, but obviously that takes a long time to do, but it's worth doing and it's worth paying for. So the only issue I have with Billy's is I'm gonna have to come back and try more stuff, and so that's gonna be a dent in the wallet because it is expensive, but it is delicious. I guess the only other nitpick is that menu is really unfriendly to actually use. Just a bunch of stacks of paper. Just get a normal menu, like a book, you know, or a big piece of paper. Very strange. Okay, well anyways, if you want to come down here for that Smokehouse or next door, La Monita, again, that's some excellent Mexican food. This place is Mahutan Plaza, and you got the BTS SkyTrain and go to Ploen Chit Station. Okay, well thanks for watching today. I'll see you at the next restaurant. Alright, bye now.